Formula One is always evolving, and tire technology plays a huge role in shaping the sport's future. This week, 3 top drivers, Lewis Hamilton, Charles Leclerc, and Oscar Piastri, hit the track at Barcelona for a crucial Pirelli tire test. What does this mean for the upcoming season? Let's break it down. Over 2 days, Pirelli and Formula One teams gathered at the Circuit de Barcelona, Catalunya, to test new tire compounds for the 2025 season. These tests are essential for developing tires that offer better grip, durability, and performance. And who better to put them to the test than 3 of the grid's top talents? On the first day, Lewis Hamilton, the 7-time world champion, took the wheel for Mercedes. Despite his upcoming move to Ferrari in 2025, Hamilton remains fully committed to developing the car and providing crucial feedback. His experience is invaluable for refining Pirelli's next-generation tires. Charles Leclerc followed up for Ferrari, offering his own insights on how the new compounds behave under different conditions. With Ferrari aiming to challenge Red Bull this season, every detail counts. Finally, McLaren's Oscar Piastri got behind the wheel on day 2, bringing fresh perspective and data for his team. McLaren has been steadily improving, and Piastri's input could be crucial in fine-tuning their strategies for the races ahead. So why does this test matter? Well, F1 is all about maximizing performance. The right tire can mean the difference between a podium finish or falling down the order. Pirelli's tests help ensure drivers have the best possible grip and consistency during races, ultimately leading to more exciting battles on track. As the 2024 season heats up, these developments behind the scenes could be game changers. Will these new tires bring closer racing? Will they help teams challenge Red Bull's dominance? We'll find out soon enough. Let me know in the comments. Who do you think will benefit most from these new Pirelli compounds? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more F1 updates.